In 1971, Bangladesh was a newly formed country that had just got separation from Pakistan after a violent and devastating war of liberation. In 1971, Pakistan was 70% richer than Bangladesh. Today Bangladesh is 45% richer than Pakistan. So in this video we will talk strategies taken by Bangladesh government to revive its economy and living standards. Development was so amazing that it even left Pakistan behind. Reconstruction and rehabilitation. The immediate focus was on rebuilding the country's infrastructure and rehabilitating the millions of displaced people. Efforts were made to repair roads, bridges, and communication networks. Economic reforms. Bangladesh initiated economic reforms aimed at promoting industrialization and reducing dependence on agriculture. Export-oriented industries, such as textiles and garments, were developed, which later became a significant driver of the country's economy. Investment in education and healthcare. Bangladesh prioritized investments in education and healthcare to improve human capital and lift people out of poverty. Initiatives were launched to improve access to education and healthcare services, particularly in rural areas. Agricultural development. Given its predominantly agrarian economy, Bangladesh worked on improving agricultural practices to increase food production and enhance the livelihoods of rural communities. Microfinance and social programs. Bangladesh gained international recognition for its efforts in microfinance, exemplified by institutions like Grameen Bank. These initiatives provided access to credit for small-scale entrepreneurs and helped alleviate poverty. As a result of all this, Bangladesh's GDP has increased from $8.75 billion in 1971 to $416 billion in 2021. Pakistan's GDP stood at $346 billion in 2021 after being ahead at $10.67 billion in 1971. So much for the size of the economy. Another comparison, Bangladesh's per capita income is $2,503, over 60% higher than Pakistan's $1,538. Bangladesh is still not a perfect economy and it still faces many problems like poverty and corruption, but where it started is remarkable.